Hello all, this is your Nimi Rija with you, and today I am here just to discuss about the deleted portions of CBSE right from grade 9 till 12. So initially we will look into the deleted portions of grade 9 English. So as you might have seen in the website, if not I'll be posting the pictures as well, just surely look into it so that it is basically an ease for you. Okay, so grade 9, basically the writing letter on a situation, descriptive paragraph on a place or an event is completely removed. Literature, as we all know, grade 9 has got two textbooks. The first one is Beehive, the second one is Moments. From Beehive textbook, nearly 5 chapters are omitted. Which are those chapters? The Lake Isle of Innisfree, The Snake and the Mirror, The Duck and the Kangaroo, Kathmandu, A Slumber Did My Spirit. So 5 chapters are being omitted. From the Moments book, basically 2 stories are omitted. The first one is Ishwaran the Storyteller, second one is The Accidental Tourist. So basically these are the chapters omitted in grade 9. And obviously we all know that grade 9 question papers are prepared in the school itself. So it's basically again the decision of the school whether to add these portions or not. So now we move on to grade 10, which are the portions deleted. As you all know, grade 10 we have 2 textbooks. The first textbook is First Flight and the second textbook is Footprints Without Feet. In the First Flight textbook, basically again 5 chapters are not there. Which are those chapters? How to Tell Wild Animals, Trees, Fog, Mijibel the Otter for Anne Gregory. So these are the chapters which are being omitted. Out of that, How to Tell Wild Animals, Trees, Fog for Anne Gregory. Basically 4 poetries are omitted and 1 story, Mijibel the Otter. This is one thing you have to make a note of it. Okay. In Footprints Without Feet, the chapters which are omitted, The Midnight Visitor, The Question of Trust, The Book That Saved the Earth. So these are the chapters deleted from Footprints Without Feet. Now looking into grammar, use of passive voice, the clauses noun, adverb, clauses of condition and time, the relative prepositions, etc. are the grammar portion basically deleted. In grade 11, basically English core subject, the portions which are deleted, writing, many are deleted. Basically we have writing skills, right? From that writing skills, classified writing skills, basically classified advertisement, letter to the editor, application for a job, article and report writing and narrative writing. These are the 5 things deleted. Grammar, modals, clauses, change of voice, error correction, editing is deleted. Literature, as you know, grade 11 we have the textbook Hornbill and Snapshot. In Hornbill, the chapters deleted are Father to Son, The Adventure. Snapshots, the stories deleted are The Garth of the Oldie World and The Tale of Melon City. So these are chapters deleted in grade 11, Snapshot. Moving on to grade 12, basically note making and summarizing, which is very important in the sure question, is deleted. Literature, basically you know Flamingo textbook and Vistas they have. Flamingo, Poets and Pancakes, The Interview, Going Places and A Roadside Stand. So these are the 4 chapters deleted from Flamingo textbook. And Vistas, The Tiger King, Journeys to the End of the Earth, Memories of the Childhood. These are the chapters omitted. Moving into the writing section, poster making is not there. All the business letters, official letters, enquiry, complaint letter, everything is deleted. Even placing order, sending replies, all that is not there. Speech, debate is also deleted. So almost You can see 30% of portions are deleted from English. Basically, you can see the portions are more deleted in grade 11 and 12, I feel. Especially the writing skills are more deleted. Okay. So, although it is not there, I would suggest just read those chapters. You'll get a lot of ideas about this. Okay. So, I hope this session was very useful because many were looking into for the sites and many were asking me whether I knew about the deleted portions. So, I hope this was useful for you. This is about the English code. Okay. So, I hope it was useful for you as well. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you're watching it for the very first time, please do subscribe, like and share with your friends. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye.